Welcome back, guys, to my channel. So okay, today I want to do another video, but I felt like I should talk about the video that I posted yesterday. What? Guys, my cat is here. I locked the window for the kitchen. No, I opened the window for the kitchen, and I don't want to go, and I don't want her to go out. She's very naughty. No, she's not a he. She's a he. It's a he. So I locked it in the room here with me, so that at least that way I'm sure she's in the room with me. So guys, like I said, I want to do a video unboxing SKIMS, and also do a review on it, tell you guys how it is, because I know most of my audience now are people from Uganda, and not a lot of people have unboxed things from the line of SKIMS. So I want to do that today, but as I was saying, I want to talk about the video that I posted yesterday. What, Mama? Give me a few minutes. This won't take long. So, guys, the video that I posted yesterday was part of another video that I was doing. I was doing a Shane haul, and I shot it with my husband. You know those videos where your husband rates your outfits. So that was the video. But so what happened is that we shot this video from 3 angles using 3 cameras, and then we shot all of them in 4K. So when I was editing yesterday, it was a little bit overwhelming. Guys, I didn't know which angle to use. Of course, I wanted to use the angle of the camera, but I was seeing that the videos that I shot from my iPhone were also looking better. And like I said, Emrys, if you pour my serums, I'm not going to be long. You can be patient. Guys, my cat is going to be crying in the whole video, so excuse me, but it's my fault. I was still talking about the video. So as I was saying, I got so overwhelmed while editing it, and then as the end result, I only got that part of the swimsuit, and I posted that. But I'll find a better way of editing it, and then I'll post it. So this video may come before that one, Yeah, this video may come before that video. Yeah guys, that is what I wanted to talk about before I begin the reviewing of the SKIMS. Just to tell you a little bit about the SKIMS. This is a line by Kim Kardashian. Yeah, she does a lot of clothing and everything. So these clothes were not bought by me. My husband bought them, and I think these were bought a long time ago. He bought them for me. Actually, he ordered them because you can buy online. He ordered them for me a while back. This was back in March, at the beginning of March. But some things happened and I didn't feel like opening it. So I decided to wait to open it, and I was like, I'll open it when I'm in a better mood, when I'm happy and everything, because he bought it as a gift for me. And as you know, these things, I like the Kardashians. So I was like, no, I'll wait. Actually, I was supposed to open it when my husband was around, but I woke up and said no, because my husband went to work and he's always busy. So I'm just going to do it without him, and then he will also watch the video. Let me tell you guys, my husband is the first person to watch my videos. When I finish editing them, he's the first person to watch my videos. And then after the video has been published and everything, we watch it together again, the both of us. So he's my #1 fan. I hope you guys are okay. You can comment down below from where you're watching me, which countries you're in. Me, I'm from Uganda. Currently now I'm living in the USA, in the States, North Carolina. I'm in Charlotte now. So you can also tell me where you guys are from. Emirates, come mama. Shoo, you want to go out, I know, but wait, okay? A few minutes, then I'll let you out. Okay guys, without further ado, let me bring out the box. I put the box under the bed. You may be wondering other things that we have under the bed, but my husband enjoys music, so sometimes he wants to play music and he cannot play from downstairs because his office is just on the opposite, like the opposite room near our bedroom, and he cannot play from there because I maybe let me say space. And he also he plays from there sometimes because he has these loud guitars too, but then he has this fancy guitar and we also keep it under the bed. And then he also gave me a guitar that he was owning before and we keep it under the bed. And then also we have, that is where that I kept the books for the SKIMS. So let me get it and then I start telling you what is in the box, what he ordered, and then I'll show you guys, and then I can also try putting on the dress that we got. Okay. guys, this is the box. I don't know if you can see. I got my hair done recently. So guys, this is my natural hair. This is how my hair looks like. I hope the lighting is good today. Guys, my cat, so I'm going to do this very quickly so that I can let her out. He's running out of patience. So this is how the box looks like. This is how the box looks like. They have their name here, SKIMS. Guys, I know you cannot see down here, but I don't know, there is a certain way that I put the camera and I don't want to remove it, so I'm going to get everything that is in the box and show it to you up here. So I don't know what this is, but let me check and see. I don't know what it is used for. As you know, I'm also new to the... Oh, guys, it's a thong. Guys, this is a disclaimer. This video is not sponsored. It's not anything, so don't ask for discounts. So guys, if I'm just doing a review, you want to, this is just a normal thing, so it's not sponsored. It's not anything. For this one. I'm just doing a review. I'll not try them, so no discounts for you. I'm sorry. Maybe next time. My husband later, but I know they fit because he ordered my exact size. So this is the first one that came in the box. That is item number 1. It's a black thong. For the material, I think the material is okay, but this is the only part that covers your lady parts. So and it's in size extra small. The other item is, it's shimmery. It's also a thong. I don't know which color is this, but it's shiny, and then in the middle where your lady parts sit, there is this cotton area. Yeah, so this is the behind. As you know, Kim Kardashian doesn't put on her thongs like this. They are always high waist, so before you buy this, you have to make sure that you have a good body, you know what I mean. So even those without a good body, you can put them on. And then this is the front, and then this is their logo. Yeah, so this is the second item. I think this is the receipt from where he ordered, to show you the items that he ordered and what comes in the box. Yeah. Okay. So there is another item. Do you see how they package their products? I like how they are packaging everything. Emirates. Guys, let me first let out my cat, okay? Okay guys, I'm back. He's out. I wanted to open the window for a little while so that the house can breathe. I don't know, I think it's a habit for all of us people from Africa, because me, I'm used to the windows being open, letting in fresh air, and we don't have window what they are called, window screens, yeah, where you can open the window and then you put the screen so that bugs don't come in the house. My husband is going to install, actually we ordered the screens, I don't know what it's called, yeah. They are going to arrive from Amazon, and then my husband will bring out someone to come and put them so that we can open the window freely. We are not worried about bugs coming in or even Emery's jumping out of the window because he's very wild. The other one, Mittens, she's humble. Oh, she's very good, and where she's fat, she cannot climb up. But this one is very skinny and so when I open the windows, sometimes I be afraid that she will go out. So guys, let's go back to the video. So this is another one. It has directions on how you are supposed to take care of the product. Oh yeah, so this is latex. As you can see, it's not cloth, it's latex. And then latex is like the material, it's like you hear that? It's like a rubber band. Yeah, that's the material. And then in the middle, this is where your lady parts go. This is how it looks like, guys. This is the front, and then this is the back. And the color here says cement. It's cement. The difference, this one it's cloth, and then this one it's latex, yeah. And then this one is cloth too. So we so far have 3. I think this is the last of the thongs. My husband was in a mood for thongs when he ordered this, yeah. So this is almost the same like the other one. It's shiny, yeah. This one is onyx foil, that is the color. Yeah, almost it's like this but different colors. And then this one is different. It has a lot of room in the front, and then in the back, that's how it looks like. So we have 4 panties in that, and then they give this in the package. I don't know, it's a bag. I don't know what it's supposed to do. I think maybe this is where you can, it's like a shopping bag. Maybe if you're going to gift it to someone or what, I don't know. But the bag came in the package too. And this is how it looks like. And then this was the wrap around the packages. And then this is the last thing that I'm going to review. It's a latex dress. Oh, it's not a dress, it's a panty. I thought it was a dress, but it's a panty. it's also latex, as you can hear the material. So let me go and try putting it on. I even don't know how they put them on, so let me go and try putting it on and then come back. Actually guys, I think they made a mistake with my order, and I think since we were not in the mood of opening the box, they made a mistake, because here it says latex long sleeve dress cement, but instead they sent this. This is not a dress, these are panties. And then down here it says we accept returns of domestic orders within 30 days of date of order, and it's been more than 30 days. Like I told you, we purchased this way back in March, and we are almost coming to the end of April, so if this doesn't fit, we can't return it. And it was the wrong order. It was supposed to be a dress, but it's a panty. Let me go try it on and see. Guys, I don't know how these people put on these things. Let me get this chair out of the way. Guys, I don't know how these people put on these things. If I fail, I will wait for my husband to come back and he helps me, because that is why those people have a lot of people dressing there. I be wondering now, why is the place of there? And this is why. It's like putting on a balloon. I hope you guys can hear the sounds. Guys, it's like I'm putting on a balloon. And how is the body supposed to breathe in this thing? It's like you're putting on a parachute. Guys, don't put this on when you're on your period. Because supposed you want to go to the bathroom to change your pad. I think this would be very convenient. Let me hope I didn't put on backwards. Let's see. Backwards, but guys, it doesn't fit me in the waist. I'm a small waist. See, there is this deep, and since it doesn't have any belt loops, you cannot, like, I don't know. Down here it fits very well, the legs and everything, as you can see. You can see here it fits very well. This is how the behind looks like. But now the problem is here, and I don't know how to fix it. And there is a way it squeezes your bums. The bum doesn't come out very well. I have a small bum, but this is not how it should look like. But tell me guys what you do. This is how it looks like. Let me fix my shirt very well. So let's say you have a crop top, you can style it very well. I like how it comes here and does this thing in the waist. Yeah, I like that. But the only part that I've not liked is this. But I think it's flexible you can run. Yeah. That's it, guys. I don't know what to do for this, and like I've told you guys, I'm late for returning this, so that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have come this far, you are a darling. I'm going to try and edit this video so that it can come out today or maybe tomorrow, and then you can comment down below on other videos that I can do for you guys and everything. I'm still thinking about my Shein haul video that I did. I'll find a way of editing it and then post it too. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you another time. Bye bye.